Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you 7 bench vise jigs that you can make yourself, really simple jigs to make your vise much more useful. So at number 1, it's a vise in a vise. This prevents you from cluttering up your workbench, having a metalworking vise on the corner for example. When you need to use a different vise, such as a metalworking vise, you can get it out and clamp it in the woodworking vise with this simple jig, which is just 2 pieces of wood. And you can even use it for really small vices too. So at number 2 is the Strop block. I use these to hone the edge of my chisels and cutting irons. It's a Strop block made of wood with some leather on it, and then there's a small strip of wood on the bottom to help you to clamp it into the vise nice and sturdy. At number 3 we have a bench hook. These are really useful for cutting different angles on pieces of wood, keeping everything nice and secure while you're cutting. So why not add it to the vise and make it nice and solid. At number 4 we have a bench grinder mount. This is really useful if you don't want your bench grinder cluttering up your workbench. You can add it to this mount and then put it in the vise, and it's nice and solid and secure when you're using it. And this design also works for portable workbenches too, that you can use outside. At number 5 is a shear and scissor sharpener. This is a really neat little device that helps you to sharpen shears, garden shears and scissors. And again, I've just mounted it on 2 blocks of wood to keep it nice and secure while sharpening. At number 6 we've got a diamond sharpening block jig. This jig again keeps it nice and secure. It screws into the existing case of the sharpening block and locks it all together nice and solid when you're using it. And then at number 7 is a line spooler. So if you're into fishing like me, this is really useful. Little device I made to hold a spool of line steady while you reel it onto the spool of your fishing reel. So that is about it for this video. The full length videos to most of these projects can be found on my channel. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching.